I found it very weird to be flooding a cylinder with a bad injector if it wasn't pinned open. Um, I took a stethoscope and I listened to all 8 injectors, and number 2 and number 7 didn't sound as loud. So then I switched injectors, and lo and behold, the Misfire changed to the cylinders that I moved them injectors. So basically what I'm telling you is to go through and do your research. You need a good scanner and look at your fuel trims, long and short term. Like this engine, even with these 2 cylinders misfiring, my long-term fuel trims were about 6 and 7, and my short term was 0 to -2.